Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I just want to first start this video with just thanking you guys for everything you've done for me. And yeah, thank you guys for everything you've done for me and supporting the channel, liking, commenting. I really appreciate that. I do notice your appearance. I really do, and I really appreciate it. Most of you might think that I am not noticing you guys. I really do notice you, and I appreciate it. So starting this video, yes, I have created this video mainly to tell you guys how I am going to be mixing trading and managing trading together with my books. And given that I'm still in high school, so we spend a lot of time in school compared to colleges. But I'm going to find out. I'm going to find a way how to manage the to both of the things together. And yeah, I'm here to tell you guys how I'm going to do that. So starting off, I I think I'm going to create another strategy because I have already created this. Just I have not yet introduced to you guys, but I'm going to do that in maybe probably the upcoming video. I am going to show you the strategy that I use. Yeah, I'm going to show you the strategy that I am going to develop. I am I am going to make the strategy that I have made, and it's into backtesting. I've just backtested like 2 weeks of data, but I am seeing progress. And these strategies can be traded any day, any time of day. No, not any time, but any day. And yeah, it's very good. I'm going to be showing you guys. So simply this strategy, the main reason why I created this strategy because I'm going to be able to trade the New York session. That's the main session that I want to trade while 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 trading that strategy because we I come from school at around 4:30, and New York session in Uganda starts at probably 3 p.m. and ends at 7 p.m. around there. I'm not sure. So I want to mix the two together. I want to trade that strategy in New York session, and I'm going to be trading pairs like GBP USD JPY, and yeah, I really hope that I make it all work out because most of you might find me that I am switching strategies, but I'm finding a way how to be able to trade during school days, not while in school days, because that was a very big challenge to be. I have found a way how I can overcome it, and I just want to share it with you guys because that's the main reason why I started this channel, is to document everything, show you everything, guys, step by step, and promote full transparency with you. Promote full transparency with you guys. So yeah, that's the new thing in town, and I'm going to be applying it in some of my strategies. Not all, no. In some pairs, no, but not all, but in some. I think I'm going to be trading it maybe with USD JPY. I think, and maybe the other pairs maybe. But currently, I'm just backtesting it with USD JPY, and I have seen some little progress, and I am very eager to show you guys the progress. I just want to finish this backtesting session of about a month and show you guys everything, the P&Ls, the recaps. I'm going to show you guys everything. So in that video, I'm going to be explaining the full strategy into depth, and maybe you guys can see how I trade, and yeah, and maybe mainly that strategy. No, I'm not going to mention it in this video. I was going to mention it in this video, but I'm not going to mention it in this video. I'm going to mention it in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, And again, I really, really appreciate you guys. Really do. I don't want you guys to think that I don't notice you. I really do notice you and I appreciate it. I appreciate everything you've done, subscribing and liking everything. Thank you guys. And yeah, and if you have any advice for me, you can leave a comment down and yeah, and try to advise me. So I think we're coming to the end of this video. This has been a relatively short video. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just want to change the strategy of how I trade. And yeah, that's it, guys. Love you guys. Peace.